today I got a quick tip for you to check to see if your bar oil pump is working in your chainsaw. It's quick and easy to do. First thing first, go ahead and remove the side cover, remove the bar and chain off the saw. Then take the saw and lay it on the side with the sprocket side up. Right here is where the oil comes out at, to oil your bar. Get you an air hose, the air nozzle on the end of it. And what I'm going to do is spray this air to make this spin clockwise. And what it'll do, it'll act like that it's running, and it'll start feeding the oil pump. And you'll start seeing oil come up through this channel. If oil's coming up through that channel, then you know your oil pump's working in your saw. I also do this when I'm cleaning the saw to push any trash out of there. As you can see, oil started coming up through that channel. So that means you know the oil pump's working in it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.